Today we are going to discuss the subject maths. Mathematics, 4th class mathematics. In this we have the first chapter. We have first chapter is numeration. Before going to this chapter, let us revise the previous topics which we have already learnt. Those are maths means digits or numbers. Without numbers or digits, nothing is possible in mathematics. Here I am writing some digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this mathematics, we are using two terms. Those are, one is digits, another one is numbers. What is the difference between these two terms or these two names? Digits represents single. Digits represents single. Numbers means numbers is the combination of digits. Combination of digits. For example, here I am writing some digits 0 to 9. In this, each number have only one digit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are one digit numbers. For example, after 9, we have 10. In this 10, we have two digits. That is, one is 0, another one is 1. So, this number having two digits. The combination of 1 and 0 is 10. So, this is called as number and these are called as digits. In the same way, these also called as digit when this is called as two-digit number. This is called as one-digit number. Digit means it represents single. Number means it represents the combination of digits. In this 10 we have two digits, that's why this is called as number. Two-digit number. In this, up to 9, these are called one-digit numbers. In this one-digit number, the smallest number in these one-digit numbers, which one is the smallest one-digit number? 0 is the one-digit smallest number. From these, biggest number. In these 0 to 9 digits, which one is the biggest number? That is 9. 9 is the biggest digit, biggest one-digit number. In these numbers, we have only one digit. How many digits? Only one digit. In the same way, after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like this we have 98, 99, 98 and 99. After 99, this is 100. From 10 to 99, these numbers have only two digits. Either 192, 193, 194 like this. These numbers from 10 to 99 have only two digits. So these are called two-digit numbers. From 10 to 99, these are called two-digit numbers. After 99, 100. In 100 we have 1, 0 and 0. Three digits. One is 1, second one is 0, third one is 0. So this 100 is called as three-digit number. Up to 100, from 10 to 99, those are called two-digit numbers. In these two-digit numbers, Which one is the smallest two-digit number? That is 10. Two-digit number starts from 10, ends at 99. In two-digit number, 10 is the smallest one. So the smallest two-digit number is 10. In these two-digit numbers, which one is the greatest two-digit number, or which one is the biggest two-digit number is 99. After 99 we have 100, which is three-digit number. So the biggest two-digit number is 99. In 10 and 99 we have two digits. In 10 and 99 we have two digits. After that 100 we have 101, 102 and so on. 997, 998, 999 and 1000. From 100 to 999, from 100 to 999, these are called three-digit numbers because in this each number have three digits. For example, 976. This number have three digits. One is 9, one is 7 and one is 6. So this is called as three-digit number. From 100 to 999, these are called three-digit numbers. In these three-digit numbers, which one is the smallest three-digit number? Three-digit number starts from 100, ends at 999. So the smallest three-digit number is 100. And the biggest three-digit number is 999. In this number have three digits. This number have three digits. In the same way, after 1000 we have 1001, 1002, 1003, like this. 9996, 9997, 9998, 9999. From 1000 to 9999, these are called four-digit numbers because in this each number have four digits. For example, 2376. These 2376 have four digits. One is 6, one is 7, one is 3, one is 2. This number have four digits. That's why this is called as four-digit number. From 1000 to 9999, these are called four-digit numbers. In these four-digit numbers, which one is the smallest one? Which one is the smallest one? In these four-digit numbers, 1000 is the smallest four-digit number and 9999, this is the greatest four-digit number or biggest four-digit number. From four-digit numbers, 1000 is the smallest four-digit number, 9999, this is biggest four-digit number. In this number have four digits. Four digits. By observing this table, this 10 can be written like this also. 9 plus 1. This 100 can be written like this. 99 plus 1. This 1000 can be written like this. 999 plus 1. By this, we can observe one thing, that If we are adding 1 to the greatest number, if we are adding 1 to the greatest number, then we will get the next smallest number. Then we will get the next smallest number. Here I am taking 3 examples. The 1 digit greatest number is 9. If we are adding 1 to this 1 digit greatest number, then we will get 2 digit smallest number, that is 10. In the same way, if we are adding 1 to the 2 digit greatest number, that is 99 plus 1, then we will get the 3 digit smallest number, that is 100. In the same way, if we are adding 1 to the 999, then we will get the 4 digit smallest number, 1000. From this, by observing that table, the smallest 2 digit number that is 10 is the biggest 1 digit number plus 1, that is 9 plus 1. The smallest 2 digit number is the biggest 1 digit number plus 1. In the same way, the smallest 3 digit number is the biggest 2 digit number plus 1, that is 99 plus 1. In the same way, the smallest 4 digit number is the biggest 3 digit number plus 1. The smallest 5 digit number, in the same way, the smallest 5 digit number is the biggest 4 digit number plus 1. The biggest 4 digit number is 9999 plus 1. Then we will get the smallest 5 digit number, that is 10,000. The smallest 5 digit number is 10,000. In this 10,000, in this 10,000 we have 5 digits. In this 10,000 we have 5 digits, that is 1 numeral and 4 zeros right to the 1. 1 numeral and 4 zeros right to the 1. This 10,000. In this 10,000 we have 5 digits, 1 numeral and 4 zeros right to the 1. In this, 0 is in this 0 is for ones, this 0 is for ones, this 0 is for tens, this is for hundreds, this is thousands, and this is 10,000s. 10,000s. This 5-digit number, this 5-digit smallest number represents this 5-digit smallest number. In this 0, first 0 represents ones place, second 0 represents tens place, third 0 represents hundreds place, fourth 0 represents thousands place, fifth one, that is 1 represents 10,000s place. In this 10,000 we are writing like this: 1 10,000, 1 10,000, 0 thousands, 0 thousands, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, and 0 ones, and 0 ones. This 1000 can be written like this also: 1 10,000, 0 thousands, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, and 0 ones. This 5-digit smallest number 10,000 can be shown like this in abacus. If you are taking ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands, 10,000s. This 10,000 can be shown like this in abacus. We have 10,000, so it can be represented like this in abacus. Let's try to read after 10,000 numbers. This is 10,001. 10,001. 10,001. This is 10,009. 10,009. This can be read like this: 10,099. 10,099. 10,099. In the same way, this can be read like this: 10,200. 10,00200. 10,200. In the same way, this can be read like this: 10,500. 10,500. In the same way, this can be read like this: 10,978. 978. 78. In the same way, This can be read like this: 50,000. 50,000. This can be read like this: 90,001. 90,001. This can be read like this: 99,999. 99,000 999. If you observe this is the greatest 5-digit number. This is the greatest 5-digit number. Which is the smallest 5-digit number? That is 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. In these 5-digit numbers, this 5-digit number starts from 10,000 and ends at 99,999. In these 5-digit numbers, the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. The greatest 5-digit number or the biggest 5-digit number is 99,999. Through this 99,999, if we add 1 to it, if we are adding 1 to it, then we will get the 6-digit smallest number. Then we will get the 6-digit smallest number, that is called as 1 lakh. That is called as 1 lakh. 1 lakh. If we are adding 1 to the greatest number, then we will get the next smallest number. In the same way, the 5-digit greatest number is 99,999. If we are adding 1 to this greatest number, then we will get the next smallest number, that is the 6-digit smallest number is 1 lakh.